Yeah, I know who he is, yeah. Been a while, I haven't seen him. Sorry.
Can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets were clear, the bombs bursting in, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, sing us their star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the A special thank you to U.S. Air Force F-16 fighter demo team from Shaw Air Force Base for today's flyover. Petty Officer Wilson's performance of our national anthem, and Taylor Beagle from the Scranton School for the Deaf and Heart of and the number 23, Bubba Wallace. That is the starting rate for the Great American 400 meter pass. Pocono Raceway, the Great American Getaway 400. Getting set. You're part of the fourth straight sellout, ladies and gentlemen. Give yourself a good round of applause. The fourth straight sellout at Pocono Raceway.
And that includes the infield, which has been sold out for weeks in advance.
We are ready for a great day of racing. The Great American Getaway 400 presented by Visit PA. Indeed, we are in America, the greatest country in the world, and we are in PA, the Pocono Mountains of Pennsylvania.
And we are proud to bring the power. The eyes of the racing world are upon us. We are ready to go green flag racing. Pocono fans best in the business.
outside seat without it.
See those shirts shaking day.
From this final stage gets underway here in Boston, way that case of mirrors incident. He has taken it back behind the wall. Pocono and third in a row this year, Adam.
That was cool. Make a move?
Just to be able to make it to the end. So processed a little bit of time, but overall really happy and proud of this whole Pie Barker Legacy Motor Club group. Everyone at Toyota and TRD, thank you for